recall when you said that you'd never leave me. Told me more, so much more, like when the time you whispered in my ear, there was heaven in my heart. I remember when you said that you'll be here forever. Then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay. Then you're gone and I'm so far away. I was afraid this day would come. I was afraid to face this kind of hurt from within. I learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I'll just dream of you tonight. And if into my dreams you come and touch me once again, I just keep on dreaming till my heart